This is Lady Flora. It's about 82 degrees out. Very sunny, very warm. There were some people being a little bit negative at work today, and I just, negativity can be very contagious. It can spread very easily, and I don't think people realize how contagious it can actually be. So I'd like to add some positive thoughts that will hopefully also be contagious. Life is full of possibilities. You're not stuck in your situation. And with God, all things are possible. Everything is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And there's inspiration everywhere, especially outside. I'm a big proponent of going outside when life gets negative, when things are overwhelming or discouraging. I believe in outdoor therapy. Even in really remote, isolated places like this. There's lots of creatures and plants living there. That's their home. And they're making their living and eating their food and thriving and living, and yeah, beauty is everywhere, and all good things are wild and free. So if you like this vlog, you may want to subscribe. I make a vlog every day but Sunday, so I will see you tomorrow, but only if you subscribe. And in the meantime, stay positive and go outside and have a sublime day.